Take a picture, ready?
No, we are taking a picture.
You go on this side so we can see the bee. Alright, there we go. Alright. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
So actually, you're not supposed to go inside.
Down the hill and then took a jog back up the hill. Can I do that?
Okay. So the house is moving up very, very fast. And actually, you're not supposed to go inside the house because you don't have a helmet. But if I may just steal for you a small show of what is happening inside.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to check how our house is doing, and let's get to it.
Okay, let's see the house. Looks like they've done a lot of work on it.
Yes, they have. They have indeed. Because all the way we skipped back, it looked like dust, but now it looks like an actual house.
Yeah.
Wait, it looked like less like 5 weeks ago or something. I don't know.
Okay. So guys, welcome to our channel. We have come again to check on the progress of the house, and it looks like today is raining. So our house is dark. So today is raining, so we won't spend so much time. So last time we saw how the progress was, and today we have made a little bit more progress. So on this side of the block, this side, it's raining, so you see the house. So that is the house. This is the block, and the house is number 2. They have done most of the work. It's been done, and the house is coming up very, very fast. and everything is moving on at lightning speed. So I brought Senjo and Elaine to see the house. What do you say?
It's improved a lot actually. It didn't even have walls the last time we saw it.
Yeah. So you can see the progress now. It's gone very fast. So can you stand there and take a picture? Where's our house is here. Stand there. Stand there, Elaine. So actually, you're not supposed to go inside.
Down the hill and then took a jog back up the hill. Can I do that?
Okay. So the house is moving up very, very fast. And actually, you're not supposed to go inside the house because you don't have a helmet. But if I may just steal for you a small show of what is happening inside the house, you can see the walls coming up, the roof and the insulation material. You can see the doors, and you can see that everything is great, coming up nicely. So actually everything is moving at a fast speed, so we hope the house will be ready any minute from now. What do you say? You happy to see a new house?
When we skipped back, the house looked like this, but when we skipped over here, the house like this.
Yeah, so that is our house. Those are our houses. You can see how fast they are going.
But how did we took the rest away?
So to go in, you need to have helmets and nice shoes. And you're not supposed to go inside before because it's not safe for you to go inside. But you can see the roofs are almost done.
Daddy, where's me and Angel's room?
So the house is getting on well. Where's Angel?
Daddy, where's me and Angel?
Where's Angel?
Angel told me that I told you and Angel would do things.
So we are almost 80% complete. This is the front side of the house. So this is the backyard, back side of the house.
I just went all the way down that hill and went back up.
Okay, you have to go back home because
No.
today's raining, so you can't stay for long.
Wait, I want to go.
It's raining, so you can't stay here for long.
Okay, we can go home.
Okay, let's get in.
Ah.
Okay, so thank you for watching the video. And today is raining, so you can't stay out for a long time. I've taken the kids home, and if you want to keep seeing the progress of the house, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us subscribe and get to 1,000 subscribers. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and God bless you.
I'm not tired. I don't know why I said that because I don't even tired. Daddy, I wish we could go to the playground, but the playground's red.
Yeah,
But the playground's red.
It's wet. You gotta go to.
Plus the water fingers are out. Plus Daddy, the water fingers are out. Those are called sprinklers. Plus Daddy, the sprinklers are out.
I'm gonna take a video from this angle.
Daddy, what is it gonna do right there? Daddy.
So from this angle, you can see from the back angle.
Oh, you're right. We're gonna have a balcony.
Yeah, the balcony will be back here. The cost of the house is about $400,000 US. That's just the base But we have other things you need to add in the house, so it goes up to about 450k US dollars. So it's expensive, but you pay with a mortgage arrangement. It's expensive.
But
Yeah, we have enough to pay for the house. Okay, it's time to go back home.
how come we show you stuff and you say it's too expensive even though that house costs more than that?
There are things, your money, you buy some things, you do what you call a priority. You know what